Grand rising, grand afternoon and grand evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Danny's Detours, where we talk about anything and everything life related. Consciousness is our canvas. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'm just outside Preston train station over there. So basically I'm going to be going down to London. I've been invited down by a really good fella called Michael D'Souza, and basically I'm going to be attending the conscious rapper community. So I'm going to be vlogging the journey going down, guys, so make sure that you know, you're all tuning in and just join us for the journey down. But yeah, I'm just about to go get my train ticket now, and I'll get some footage on the way down, so I'll catch you soon. We're just sat down now on Preston train station. We're just waiting for our train. I think it's departing at 9 o'clock. So yeah, it's round about 20 past 8 now. This is the train now that's leaving for London Euston, but mine's booked. My seats are reserved for 9 o'clock. So yeah, we're just waiting, and then we're going to be jumping on the train.
Service to Cole. Calling it Gloucester.
Guys, we've arrived in London Euston, so now I'm just going to make my way to the underground, and then it's off to Tottenham Hale, and then we're going to get a transfer from Tottenham Hale to Sawbridge Worth. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Town, Harlow Mill, Sawbridge Worth and Bishop Stortford.
We're just on the train now, guys. We're going to be arriving in Sawbridge Worth. So yeah, it's been a bit of a mad one. First time I've ever been on the tube, but I ended up getting off too early. But it weren't a problem because, you know, the tube, the trains, they run quite regular. They're like every 2 to 4 minutes, so it wasn't end up world. So I ended up getting off. But when I tried looking at it on AI, it told me to get off after the third stop, but obviously it weren't. It was wrong. So you can't always trust AI, guys. But anyway, we'll catch you in a bit. A bit of a scram from some of these guys. They're honey almonds. What's going on? Very healthy for you as well. Right, guys, we've just arrived in Sawbridge Worth, and I'm going to make my way down Red Ricks. I think it's about Red Ricks Lake. I think it's about a 3 kilometre walk, so I'm just going to head my way down there now. So we'll see you in a bit. Tell you what, guys, it's an absolutely cracking day today, and it's a really nice area this as well, Sawbridge Worth. I believe it's right on the outskirts or near Essex, like Harlow. So it's a new destination on the old Danny Detours notebook to tick off. So yeah, but we're not too far away from Red Ricks now, guys, so I'll keep cracking on and we'll catch up in a bit.
Spins in his clap around this burning baller. Yo, yeah?
Coconuts there, mangoes.
What we saying?
Yeah.
Close to the phone and that.
Sick person there.
No, yeah. When they sit near me, I'm treating them sincerely.
Some crystals here, guys, and we've got some natural perfumes and a couple of the older skins for you know what. Yeah, nice.
I'm a new dog, it's likely. Grinding the ball when I shoot these days, it drops straight into the basket. Swish ish, man, to the unseen assistance, like in the movie Sixth Man. This can't stop me. A little bit of love, yeah. Never losing, slow cruising, it keeps on cruising. Top gun and shotgun, so you better take a back seat. You get me? You get me, Tom? C, yeah? We there. Feeling it. Through with the Mortal Kombat. Best how was that combo too? Don't start looking like I see from on back. Tell the sound boy, I don't want that. It's not a... We working it. Get your cheers. Embarrassed like they gotta teach you. That's why you gotta stay melody. Energy like vitality. These are the street fighters also be having gone through with the Mortal Kombat. Best how was that combos too? Don't start looking like a silent, no cricket. Under the skin like Shang Tsung. You and you can't come in like Kai Long. Not want to get hit with Hadouken. Trust nobody can do it like Lucan. Fatality, man, I separate head top straight from my sleeve. Context says fatality. I smoke up against Ermac, man. I said, yo, look, mum, know how with a piercing tree. Fuck off, your politics of a rock off. Yo, everybody makes it backing out here, roll a folding. Keep so keep on top, we're not folding. Ain't no stopping us, so we're controlling. They make plays and we can't be moulding. Stats so cold that the life got frozen. I don't have a soul, I don't own it. I am a soul, body is chosen. If that ain't love, don't care who's phoning. Not gonna answer, middle name Roman. Why do you think that I come with a militant start with the fast of the heart, that's fact. Who we just want to sketch up. Stuck on the beginning, body goes back. Keep in the trap. Creep and attack, yeah, walk in the Caesar, yeah. This time that we're living in now will be spoken about for the next 5 billion years. In other words, we're breaking the curse that saves in the future from all of the tears. You can say that I'm crazy, but the one that made me showed me why I was sent here. Intent is clear, I release all fear. No devilish force can shake me, wake me, that's what they're telling me. Higher self, jump to the force that was sent for the most time. Making a tune that opens your first eye, decals to start that light when I write my book.
Well guys, that's the end of the first day for me at CRC. It's been absolutely fantastic. I've managed to see some absolutely amazing artists. Here's my humble abode for the next couple of days. I'm going to be doing a lot more good content, so as always, make sure that you like, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment, tell me what you think of this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Peace.